I might have the most boyish garage in existence. Here we have a 2014 Nissan 370Z with 100,000 miles, a 2017 Subaru WRX STI with 100,000 miles, and a 2005 Toyota 4Runner rear-wheel drive with 232,000 miles. Let's see them one by one. So 2014, 100,000 miles on this 370Z. Does have a rebuild title from a rear end accident. Does come with some beautiful niche black wheels that look amazing in the car, especially in the rear. It does have peeling paint on the gas cap, but that should be easy enough to fix. Yeah, beautiful interior. It's held up really well for having 100,000 miles. It's really nice. But yeah, 3.7 liter V6, 335 horsepower. It's have some wear and tear, but pretty good bargain if you ask me. Now we move on to the best overall car. This is my 2017 STI. It's got also about 100,000 miles. It is the limited model, even though it has the base STI wheels. Those are actually for my winter tires. I bought it with the 2013 generation BBS wheels, which look gorgeous with the white paint. But we'll put those on once the weather improves. It's got the moonroof. This interior has held up really well for as many miles as it has. Suze loves this one as well. He just loves vehicles. He's like his pops. All right, photo. There's Zeus. He likes these cars too. Does not have the wing. That's all right. Did put on some eBay mud flaps with the STI logo. They look pretty good, although they are just stickers. You get what you pay for with eBay. It does have the SPT exhaust from the factory. And other than that, this car's completely stock. But yeah, we've got the sports car, do-it-all car that's sporty. And now the utility vehicle, my truck. This is a 2005 rear-wheel drive V8 4Runner. So we know the engine's gonna be bulletproof. Go ahead and open her up. So, pardon for the mess. This has 232,000 miles. Really good tires. We got the utilitarian vehicle, the do-it-all sports car, and the just flat-out sports car. But yeah, these are my three cars. Which one would you own? Which one is the best? Which one is the worst? And which one's going to give you the most headaches? Let me know in the comments below.